Withdrawing money from WhatsApp to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone and navigate to the chat where you received the money or where you want to initiate the withdrawal. Step 2. Access payment options. Tap on the attachment icon, usually a paperclip, in the chat. From the menu, select the payment option to view your transaction history or initiate a withdrawal. Step 3. Link your bank account. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, follow the prompts to add your bank details. Ensure that the account is valid and matches the name registered on your WhatsApp account. Step 4. Initiate withdrawal. Once your bank account is linked, select the amount you wish to withdraw. Confirm the transaction by following the on-screen instructions, which may include entering a PIN or using biometric authentication. Step 5. Confirm transaction. After initiating the withdrawal, you will receive a confirmation message. Check your bank account to ensure the funds have been transferred successfully. It may take a few minutes to reflect in your account. In conclusion, withdrawing money from WhatsApp to your bank account is easy if you follow these steps carefully. Always ensure your account details are accurate to avoid any issues.